Hello beautiful people. This tutorial is on coming into Padmasana. I've had a number of students ask me how to approach coming into full lotus or even half lotus, and so I decided to make this tutorial in order to show you. So first you can come to Sukhasana, your seated position, easy pose, or Siddhasana if you prefer, which is simply taking your right or your left ankle over top of the other. Now sometimes when you're here you find that the knees are drawing up away from the floor, which is fine. You can just simply take either your foam block or a chip foam block and you can slip it underneath, and it just depends on the elevation that you require. And once you do, guide yourself to the edge of the prop and then allow your knees to fall towards the floor. Now even here sometimes you may find that one or both knees still draw slightly up, in which case you're always welcome to have a block and you can just slip it underneath. But think about rooting down through the base of your spine and really connecting with the earth element so that you feel grounded and stable. And then with the upper body, lift up. So through the crown of your head, try to be thinking of drawing up towards the ceiling or the sky, and then let your shoulders relax down. And you'll find that this creates this beautiful quality of feeling both grounded, but also light and uplifted. And then from here, you can place your hands wherever feels most comfortable for you. You're always welcome to take a mudra. You can bring your thumb and your index finger to touch with your palms down. This is Chin Mudra, or you can have your palms facing up, Yan Mudra. And then once you're here and you feel stable, then you can be thinking about coming into a half lotus. So in your half lotus, you could be taking your right foot, take your right hand to your knee, and then just rock from side to side. And this is known as cradle the baby, and it helps to loosen the hip joint. Now you may find then you can bring your foot into the inner crease of the opposite leg, and then once you release your knee, it's either going to draw down towards the floor, and you're here in a half lotus, or you may find again that the knee comes slightly up. Now if that's the case, you can come and you can just slip a prop, either a chip foam block or again a foam block, underneath your knee to support. And then as the body feels supported and it relaxes, and over time as the muscles begin to loosen, you're going to find the knees, of course, comfortably both come down towards the floor with yourself in a half lotus position. And then coming into full lotus is really quite simple in terms of drawing just the opposite leg and then bringing into the inner crease of the opposite leg. So from here, now you're here in your full lotus. So I hope that that helps to guide you in how to approach coming into it. Thank you so much. The light within me honors the light within you. Namaste.